Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Expert, your trusted source for the latest reviews, updates, and expert insights from the world of two-wheelers and four-wheelers. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about compact SUVs of the year, the 2025 Suzuki Maruti Brezza. This new model has arrived with a refreshed design, upgraded features, and a promise to elevate the urban driving experience. Let's take a closer look at what's new, what's improved, and whether it's worth your attention in 2025. Refreshed exterior design. The 2025 Brezza carries forward its urban SUV DNA but with more attitude. Suzuki has sharpened the front fascia with a bolder grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and a reworked bumper that enhances its road presence. The dual-tone paint options and newly designed alloy wheels give the Brezza a sportier and more premium appeal. Though the silhouette remains similar, minor refinements in body cladding and chrome accents give it a modern edge. Interior and comfort upgrades. Step inside the 2025 Brezza, and you'll notice a more refined cabin experience. Maruti has worked on improving material quality, with soft touch elements and a new dashboard layout. The updated infotainment system now includes a larger 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You also get a digital instrument cluster, automatic climate control, and rear AC vents, all designed to boost comfort for both driver and passengers. The space remains generous, especially in the rear seats, making it family-friendly as ever. Engine, performance and mileage. Under the hood, the 2025 Brezza continues with its 1.5 LK15C dual-jet petrol engine, paired with smart hybrid technology. It delivers around 103 PS of power and 137 Nm of torque. While it's not the fastest in the segment, it's extremely refined and smooth for city and highway use. Transmission options include a 5-speed manual and a 6-speed torque converter automatic. Fuel efficiency remains one of its biggest strengths, offering close to 20 kmpl, depending on the variant. Features and technology. Maruti Suzuki has loaded the new Brezza with modern features. Highlights include a 360-degree camera, wireless charging, connected car tech via Suzuki Connect, and 6 airbags in higher variants. The addition of a sunroof, which was missing in earlier models, is now available, making it a more attractive package for young buyers. Cruise control, keyless entry, push-button start, and ESP with hill hold assist are also part of the safety and convenience suite. Price and variants. The 2025 Brezza is available in multiple trims, catering to different budgets. Prices start around 8.5 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, and go up to 13.5 Indian rupees lakh for the top-end Zishi Plus variant. While it's priced slightly higher than before, the features and improvements more than justify the premium. Conclusion: should you buy it? The 2025 Suzuki Maruti Brezza strikes a solid